In this video, I'm going to walk you through mobile usability testing in the Google Search Console, which is the main console that you're going to be using for mobile usability testing. So if we go here and I've selected the property, once again it's important to select the correct property. In this case it's this one, and we're going to tell you which property it is. I mean, you should know it. If you just go to Kepler Academy, for example, you're going to see that it's being redirected to the HTTPS, which in this case for this client is the correct version, but a lot of times it's going to be www. And as a matter of fact, we always use the www version, and we're in the process of moving this website to that as well. So once you go to mobile usability, you're going to click on valid, and of course sometimes you might see errors listed, and those errors will have to be fixed. So if we go to valid and click right here, you're going to see all the valid pages. So now if we click learn more, what I wanted to show you right here is details about status. So right here, valid, if you read that, it tells you the valid pages mean that they meet the minimum mobile usability level, although they might have some other issues, and we must use this tool in order to test for any issues. So if we click that tool, we're going to come here, and then you can click. Of course, you should be familiar with all this, so quickly give it a read. And if we open this tool, we're going to enter the client's URL in there and run the test. Okay, so I just noticed that I copied in the www version. That's not the correct version. So, but it's still a good example. So if I click view details, you're going to see all the issues here and resources that couldn't be loaded that should be fixed, and any other issues. In this case, the page is mobile friendly. Otherwise, if we go right here, you can look at the list of errors right here, and it'll show you if the viewport's not configured, if the content is too small. So all those things need to be fixed. So now if we run the the non-W version, sorry. So then you would do the same thing. If there's any issues showing, you would correct them, and then page loading issues, you'd see all these different things and go through them and just make sure that they're fixed and corrected. So that's essentially the test that needs to be run to ensure the mobile usability is good on this page, and this needs to be run on all the pages on the site to ensure all those pages are mobile friendly, especially the pages which are important for SEO purposes and for user usability. And it's also important that you take screenshots of before and after optimization. So you can install this tool right here, full page screen capture, or another screen capture software that's going to allow you to take an image of this whole thing, and you're going to take an image of this for each page and the image of this. And then once the optimization is completed, you're going to take an image of this and of this. And that's that.